Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is Data Structure Fundamentals 1 Mat1 Answer2. So the first question is, what do you mean by an array? So array is a collection of variables of a similar data type. Okay, so for example, let's say I create an array of integer of 10 elements, then uh, like it's a collection of s- uh, collection of variables of same data type, right? So I can like the 10 elements of an integer type, and those all elements would get stored linearly, okay, in memory. uh, then the second question is, what are the advantages and disadvantages of an array? So uh, like the one of the advantages would be that we always know how much space it's gonna acquire, or how much space is gonna take inside in memory. Then another advantage would be that like accessing any particular element of an array is would have time complexity of O of 1. uh, then another advantage would be traversing through an array like would be easy because it's stored linearly. Then what are the disadvantages of an array? So like we must know how many elements it's gonna take, how it's gonna store from the beginning, okay. Then like we cannot store any other type of data inside an like for example, let's say if array is an integer type, we cannot show character or boolean inside an array of integer type, okay. Then another like the size of an array, it's not expandable, or it cannot be increased or reduced, so that's also another disadvantage. uh, the third question is, what is the difference between array and a vector? Okay, so array is a collection of variables of similar data type. uh, while okay, so like it's a data structure provided by C++ or any programming language itself. The vector is a class, uh, and template class, uh, a template class provided by C++ itself, that stores data in format of array, but it expands uh, it whenever it is get like the vector is whenever it reaches its limits. So it would create a new array inside it, and like store all the data from the old array to the new array in an vector, okay. So like in that way it increases the size. So it's that would be an advantage where we can store multiple elements, the size would like it doesn't exactly increases the size of an array, it creates a new array and then copies all element of an old array inside a new array. But uh, like uh, like we don't have to do it, so for us it's like the size of an array is expanding, but it's not actually possible. So thank you, that is it.